Very, you can tell as how shaky our camera is and how windy it is out here. It's hard to catch your breath. Take a look at the ferocity of the waves. That's what we're dealing with in Monmouth Beach, and it is expected to get much worse later on. Sand swirling over the seawall and onto Ocean Avenue in Monmouth Beach. The white raging waves eclipse what's left of the beach. It's wintertime at the Jersey Shore, and we've got a nor'easter to thank for this wild weather.
I'm trying not to get blown away. The wind is just absolutely insane out here today.
As the Shrewsbury River swells, a high tide advisory sign in Rumson warns of possible flooding to come. Just across the water is Seabright, a beautiful place with surrounding water views, and a weak spot.
We're sandbar, so of course this is where the water comes. I've tried everything, different techniques.
Despite a high retaining wall along the main drag, Ocean Avenue is still susceptible to water overflow.
Actually below sea level. So when you get storms like this and the tide rises, it doesn't take much. I've seen Ocean Avenue flood many times in my life. I mean, it's drastically flood.
The concern comes later tonight, with nor'easter winds reaching nearly 60 miles per hour, combined with rain and high tide.
Lots and lots of flooding. It will start coming through the river, over the seawall, and we just get it everywhere in town.
Residents say the swinging street signs and surging waters are fine by them, as long as the property damage is minimal.
All you can do is hunker down and hope for the best.
And as you can see, it is very windy out here. Residents tell me anything that is outside clearly needs to be tied down, but there are a few things that can't be tied down. We've seen vinyl fences blowing out in the wind here. Be careful if you are traveling along the coastal areas. It's really bad out here. We are live in Monmouth Beach. Magdalena, Doris, CBS 2 News.